Hi viewers, good whatever ning, I'm Reggie. In this video I'll explain what extensions and blocks you need to make your own achievement system in Penguin Mod that I learned from my friend Ace the Guy and another creator named Draker. Huge credits to the both of them, since if I didn't see their systems, I wouldn't have learned how to make my own or teach it to any of you guys. I apologize if I make any grammatical mistakes in this video, I hope it's still at least understandable. Storage extension is literally the reason the system works. There's other versions of it, but I don't really understand them yet. We're gonna use a specific one for this video and others might work differently. This one is optional, but Events Expansion has cool broadcast with data stuff you can use to do cool stuff with your achievements easily without needing to use too many blocks. For the achievements you're gonna have to make an empty sprite to make the code work, or put it inside another sprite. I don't really know if it matters, it's just better so you don't lose it, and you're gonna need to make a counter variable, a variable only for that sprite, and a variable for all sprites of how many achievements you're gonna add to the game. You're also gonna need a list of zeros and ones of the achievements the player has in the game. 0 meaning unobtained, and 1 obviously the opposite, obtained. Go to the server storage section of the storage extension and get the block that says set to project server to get a server for your project. Set the counter variable to 0 when the flag is clicked. Make sure to change the achievement variable to the amount of achievements you want your game to have. To make the server achievement system work, you are gonna need the set your server name to insert value block from the server storage section of the extension. You can make the server name whatever you want, and you need to put a forever block that sets your server to the list of achievements the player has forever. You're gonna need a reset for your achievements when you're done working on your game. If your game is finished and you still have any of your achievements unlocked, you have to reset it or else new players have the same achievements as you. So you're gonna need to make a block that sets all the numbers in the achievement list to 0, and then sets your server to those zeros too. When the player gets the requirement for an achievement, just replace the number of the achievement in the list with 1 to show that the player has obtained the achievement. The blocks in the achievement system already make it so that the server always have the numbers of the list if the project is running.
What do I do if it don't?
Honestly, I'm not sure. But if you're good at coding, you'll probably understand what to do. If you actually know what you're doing. There was a bug for me where if I started the game too quickly it added weird spaces to my achievements, but I added a loading screen so that would stop happening and it worked for me. If you have any other bugs with it, then maybe you should try asking for help from other Penguin Mod coders. I'll also leave a link in the description to a PMP file of this system with explanation notes, so don't worry if you didn't pay attention to this video. I think. So that's all. I hope this tutorial is easy to comprehend and that you've learned how to code your own system. I had fun writing all of this. Bye.
So they're finally here, performing for you. If you know the word, you can join in too. Put your hands together if you wanna clap as we take you through this monkey rap. D-A, Ducky Hop. D-A, Ducky Hop. D-A, Ducky Hop. D-A, Ducky Hop. He's the leader of the bunch. You know him well.